Adding contacts to your account isn't the only part of managing your contacts in Constant Contact. Good list management comes from doing things like creating new lists, deleting old ones you don't need anymore, or maybe just renaming them to be something more helpful. In this video, we'll cover exactly those three things: creating, renaming, and deleting contact lists. If you're looking for help on adding contacts or moving contacts to different lists, please check out these tutorials. With that being said, let's start with creating a new list. To do that, click Create New, and then choose List from the options. Give your list a name, and then click Save. With your new list created, you can add contacts to it or move contacts into it. Again, if you need help doing that, check out the tutorial specifically for that. Next, let's go over renaming lists. To rename an existing list, find the list you want to rename. Then click the three dots and choose Rename. Give your list a new name and then click Save. Lastly, let's go over deleting a list. To do that, select the list you want to delete. With your list selected, click Actions, Delete. A pop-up will display asking for confirmation that you want to delete the list. Don't worry, the list will be deleted, but any contacts that exist on that list can still be found in your account. And that covers how you can create, rename, and delete lists in your Constant Contact account.